Time ago, in a far corner of the universe, there was a planet named Zargon. The aliens living there were smart, peaceful, and loved science. They had long arms, shiny blue skin, and big, kind eyes. These aliens were called the Zarlians. The Zarlians always looked at stars and planets through their powerful space telescope. One day, a Zarlian scientist named Zolo discovered something very special. He saw that Earth's moon had strange energy signals coming from its center. Zolo called a big meeting in their science center. "The moon is calling us," Zolo said. "It is full of secrets. We must visit and do an experiment. Maybe we will find something that helps the whole universe." The other scientists nodded. They were excited. Their leader, Queen Zara, agreed. "Zolo, take your best team and go to the moon. But be careful, we want to learn, not harm." Zolo and his team worked for many months. They built a special spaceship called Starfeather. It was fast, silent, and safe. They packed tools, machines, energy scanners, and food cubes. Their most important tool was the Moon Core Reader, a machine that could study deep under the moon's surface. After everything was ready, the team of 5 Zarlians entered the Starfeather. The spaceship glowed bright green and zoomed into space. After many days, the Starfeather reached the moon. The aliens wore shiny spacesuits and floated down. Their feet touched the soft gray ground of the moon. "It is quiet here," said Ziri, the youngest alien. "Yes," said Zolo. "Perfect for our experiment." They set up their moon camp near a deep crater. They placed solar panels, antennas, and the Moon Core Reader on the moon ground. The machine started to scan the moon. Strange numbers began to appear on its screen. "There is something under the surface," Zolo said. "Something alive?" After many hours, the core reader beeped loudly. The screen showed a glowing object 200 meters underground. "We must dig," said Zolo. Using laser shovels, the aliens carefully dug a tunnel. Finally, they found it. A glowing crystal, large and bright like a star. It hummed with energy. "This crystal is not from Earth," Mira said, the energy expert. "It's very old. It might be a gift from another ancient species." The aliens gently brought the crystal to the surface. When they placed it on the ground, it began to float in the air. It sent out waves of light across the moon. Suddenly, the moon's ground started shaking. "Is it an earthquake?" asked Ziri. "No," said Zolo. "I think the moon is speaking." A soft light appeared from the crystal. Slowly, the light took shape. It became a tall figure made of stars and dust, the Moon Spirit. "Who are you?" asked Zolo, bowing respectfully. "I am the spirit of the moon," it said. "This crystal is my heart. Long ago, I hid it deep inside to protect the earth. But now, you have awakened me." "We are sorry," Mira said. "We did not mean harm." The moon spirit smiled. "You did not harm me. You came with curiosity and peace. That is why I will share my knowledge." The spirit showed the aliens visions of Earth's history, the birth of oceans, the rise of humans, and the secrets of moon rocks. "Take my knowledge and help your galaxy," the moon spirit said. Then the spirit returned to the crystal, and the crystal gently floated back underground, hiding itself once more. The aliens were silent. They had seen something beautiful and powerful. Zolo turned to his team. We must go back. This experiment gave us more than science. It gave us wisdom. They packed their tools, cleaned the moon camp, and left no trace. The star feather lifted off, and the moon became quiet again.